Hello everyone. In the video you are watching, we have discussed about garden style. As you know, the garden styles of each nations are different. Styles of each nations are a nod to its culture and history as well as a glimpse into its cuisine and medicinal past. As you know, gardening is not only a hobby, it is an art form. So that basic forms of gardening is called as styles of gardens. Gardening styles have evolved throughout history from trends in different locations around the world. Currently, there are four types of garden styles. First one is formal style, second one is informal style, third freestyle. It is also known as picturesque style. Fourth is wild style. Let us talk in more details about the major gardening styles. Features of formal style have been shown here. In the formal style, first plan is made on paper and then land is selected accordingly. Land is leveled. A formal garden is laid out in a symmetrical or geometrical pattern. In the plan of formal garden, design symmetrical balance is achieved when the same object, mirror object, are placed on either side of an axis. Square and rectangular geometric forms are repeated in the various hardscaping features of formal gardens. Flower beds, borders, and shrubberies are arranged in geometrically designed beds. Like that, roads and paths cut at right angle. In this garden, the design is stiff as everything is done in a straight and narrow way. In such gardens, everything is planned in a straight line. Balance is symmetrical as same features replicated on both sides of central axis. For an example, if there is a plant on the left hand side of a straight road, a similar plant must be planted opposite place on the right hand side. Some typical features have also been shown here. Hedges, edges and topiary are trimmed in the formal style of garden. Trees can be selected as individual features. Mughal garden, Persian garden, Italian and French gardens are best example of formal style of gardening. Some images have also been shown here. See the first image. See the close view. It is President House of India, situated at New Delhi. In this house, Mughal garden is also established. This is close view of Mughal garden. Third one is Persian garden. Informal styles features you can see here. Informal gardens are harder to design than formal ones, as they are ruled by irregularity and natural looking planting. That's why plan is forced to fit the land. The main aim is to capture natural scenery. In the informal garden, the underlying framework is almost entirely disguised by planting, and the garden should look as though it has grown up naturally. Informal garden land is not labeled. The garden should revel in color and should look as natural as possible. If you would like to introduce water, natural looking ponds, pools, they may be ideal for this informal style features. Informal gardens are characterized by following curves, non-symmetrical arrangement of features and spaces, and plants that are allowed to grow into their natural shapes. A site that is not geometric shape can be a sound basis for an informal garden. In the informal style, hedges, edges, and topiary are not trimmed. In general, planting in informal garden includes tall shrubs and taller trees to add to the vertical dimension, and these will often hide the edges of the plot to create a natural feeling. In this style, individual plants are not selected as main feature. Best example of these styles are Japanese garden, Chinese garden, English garden. You can see here some images of Japanese gardens. Here water have been introduced in this Japanese garden style. Here you can see stone lanterns, that is considered main features of Japanese garden style. Here freestyle and wild style features have been mentioned. Features of freestyle garden design include curved path with both regular and irregular shapes, non-geometrical beds and borders, well-defined borders with hedges and edges, close to naturalistic garden design, more flowing shapes. However, in free style of gardening, best of both formal and informal styles are selected to secure the most picturesque effect. While in wild style, there is no rules are followed, but aim is to make the garden beautiful and natural. A comparatively recent style of gardening, the wild garden, was expounded by William Robinson in last decade of the 19th century. The concept of a wild garden is not only against all formalism, but it also breaks rules of landscape styles. The main ideas of wild garden is to naturalize plants in shrubberies. The grass should remain unmowed as in nature, and a few bulbous plants should be grown scattered in the grass to imitate a wild scenery. Allow the creepers to grow on the tree naturally, imitating those of the forest. Some modern version of the wild gardens are butterfly bird garden, bioaesthetic planning, and Nakshatra Udyan. In this slide, you can see the free styles of garden and wild style of garden. Thank you.